Hello and welcome to this week's AMA video. So this week I'm going to show you some things on YouTube. I have signed in to my Build It Brilliant account so that I can show you some of the things and how it works. Let me move my head. I have a feeling through this one that my head's going to be in the way a lot. So what you want to do first is you want to go to your studio. Again, move my head. So if you click on your button here and you go to YouTube Studio, that's where you want to be. This is where you can edit all of your videos and see your videos and all of that information. So here we are in the studio, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find a video. So in here, what we want to do is we want to find the video that we want to edit, and I'm just going to pick one of the old AMA videos. I will pick Understanding Websites. Let's just do that one. Okay, so I'm not going to actually edit anything because obviously this is live and it's real and I don't want to edit this video, but I'll definitely show you how it works. So the next thing that you want to do is go to Editor, that's down here on this toolbar. And in here, it comes up with this very simple video editing option. So here you've got an option that says blur parts of your video. If you click on this one, you can either blur faces, so if you've got somebody in the video that you don't want to be recognised, then you can blur a face, or you can custom blur, which means that you can change the boxes so that it's a certain size. So let's do a custom blur. Over here you've got whether you want this blur here to be a square or an oval, or some sort of settings and what you can do. You can click on the video and move it. So say I didn't want you to see this information here. You can move it, you can resize it. Here, it's just thinking about it, so it might take a minute. But you see how that's blurred out that information. Now this here on the clip at the bottom shows where that box has been added. So all you need to do is play the video, or you can move this bar to a particular part of the video, and then when you click on the screen it adds a box. This is being really slow today. So you add the blur, custom blur, and then here, as you can see, this is where the box will be on the video. And then you can move it to wherever you want it to be, and you can then move the boxes as well, just down here on this timeline. I'm going to delete these, so hopefully I should be able to delete them. It's still thinking about it, so there we go. So I've deleted them both, so now there's nothing on it. But you can go through the video here, and you can add your blur. You can change the size of the box so that then you can hide any information or any people's faces that you don't want to be on the video. Once you've finished, you just click save at the top, and that's it. That is your video then edited. It may take a couple of hours to upload it onto YouTube, so you can on the video do it so that it is unseen, unlisted, if you don't want people to see it until the new one has been uploaded. So if I go into the details of this particular video here, where this one's public, but if you click here you can click unlisted, which means that people then can't find it unless they have the link. So then you can put it to unlisted and wait. It takes, like I say, up to a couple of hours, and then your new video will be there and ready for people to see with your blurs, with your trim, all looking good. So that's this week's AMA. I hope you found that useful and interesting. I am here to help with all things tech-wise and getting your business online.